Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Lacie Rugged USB-C drive. First, locate the included USB-C cable and connect one end to the drive and the other to your computer's USB-C port. This drive is designed for simple plug-and-play operation, drawing all necessary power directly from your computer. You'll notice a small indicator light on the drive, confirming it's receiving power and ready for the next step. It's a straightforward process to get started. Now, let's get your drive ready for your specific operating system. For Mac users, open Disk Utility. Windows users will use Disk Management. Select your Lacie drive from the list. You'll then choose a format. XFAT is excellent for sharing files between Mac and Windows computers, offering broad compatibility. This step ensures your drive works seamlessly with your system, allowing you to store and access files without any issues. Transferring your important files to the Lacie Rugged drive is incredibly simple. Once the drive is recognized, you can open its folder and simply drag and drop files or entire folders from your computer directly into it. Another easy method is to copy the files you want and then paste them into the drive's window. This process is intuitive, allowing you to quickly move large amounts of data, like several gigabytes of photos or videos, in just a few moments. To ensure your data remains safe, always remember to safely eject the Lacie drive before physically unplugging it. On Mac, drag the drive icon to the trash. On Windows, use the Safely Remove Hardware option. This crucial step prevents data corruption. Remember, the Lacie Rugged drive is built tough, offering drop resistance from up to 4 feet and protection against rain, making it a reliable companion for your adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.